Hey everyone, I'm here to show you on how you can use the video chapters function in the editor of our SMS-iT video ads. You can find this under the editor section on the lower right corner of your video and click on video chapters. So this just works just like similar to YouTube when you can put chapters on your videos. You can choose to pause the video when the chapter appears by clicking this option right here. You just need to indicate the chapter name and the time stop here. And you can add as many chapter titles and timestamps as you want. Just make sure to enter the starting time for each chapter in seconds in the start time input field. So this is by seconds right here for the start time. So you can also customize the color settings for background and text colors down below. And so for example, you're gonna create some chapters. Of course, you have the introduction for your video and maybe the, what else? Creation. And I think here. So let's say the intro starts at 20 seconds. Creation is set like 50. Rewards is like on 80 seconds. I'm just putting in some random words here. Ending perhaps be like 120 seconds, right? So I'm just gonna adjust the slider on this one to make sure if I can have it appeared in a much later time of the video. Okay, so just to assemble, let's click on preview here, and you would find the chapters here in the upper left corner. Just click on it, and if you want to skip to intro, for example, it's gonna appear in the seconds that you put up the start time, which is 20 seconds into the video. Or maybe you go to the rewards, skip it. Right there, just gonna skip. And maybe go to the ending part. Right there, skipping 8 minutes. Then I want to go to intro again, perhaps. Let's see. Right, and that's it. A simple way of adding chapters to your video. And I hope that this helps you and how you can set up your video and putting up some video chapters. I'll see you guys in the next videos. Thank you.